Hey guys, we're back with another video, and in this video we want to talk about the bow, how to use gravity to make this movement smooth, and Natalie is going to be helping me with this video.
Hey everyone!
So the bow is when you get the energy up so that she can come down, and then you offer the support to lead her to come back up depending on your timing. What's important here is that you don't pull down. Once she's suspended up, you can just go down with her slowly. You don't need to pull her like this. Because if you use your finger, it's going to feel uncomfortable and it's going to hurt.
Ladies, to make this move really smooth and comfortable for both of you, you have to make sure that you keep your weight backwards, and you do that by hinging your hips back. So you don't want to do this where your weight's forward, or you don't want to do this where your weight's kind of in the middle. You want to make sure that you hinge backwards this way, and then you come back up. And also, ladies, you need to make sure that you apply a little bit of pressure downwards. It's just a little bit of pressure and tension. So the guy will be giving you pressure upwards, and you just need to press down a little bit so you know exactly when to come back up, and you don't want to come up by yourself or on your own timing.
You don't want it to be so much that I have to fall down like this. It's just enough to know where it's going up or down.
Yeah, just a little bounce.
Yeah. Now I'll show you the footwork from this side. So for the lead, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. From this point I come up and then I step back. 5, 6, 7, tap. That's if you do it on count number 5. If you do it on count number 1, you should do like a roll, like a reverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it depends on the time when you want to do this. If you want to do it on 5, you can do it for 4 counts. If you want to do it on 1, you can do it on 8 counts.
Hi guys, if you enjoyed this little tutorial, it would mean so much to us if you could like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you!